go through the Skims holiday drop with you guys. I didn't go too crazy because I wanted to get some family sets, so I couldn't get as much for myself because I want us to all match as a family. There's something about just laying in bed and watching Christmas movies as a family and matching pajamas that makes me so happy. So I did get a few things, so I thought I would just hop on and show you what I picked up. So the first thing is the only thing that isn't from the holiday set, and I love this. I think this is gonna make such a perfect gift, the other part that goes with this, but fleece lounge straight leg pant in the shade Ecru. I got a small, and I like that they have like all these little details on them, but it is so soft. I don't know why I had this vision of getting a like fleece cream set, and then I saw that she had that on her website, so I picked it up and I love it. It's so cozy. I just loved how this outfit looked styled online, so I picked it all up. I will say I wasn't expecting the top, this jacket, and the bottoms to be different material. The top is more like Sherpa, while this is more of a fleece, but I just love how everything looks together. This jacket is stunning. Like, definitely my favorite thing I got. Like, okay, let's picture it like, such a like cutie little marshmallow girl. Yeah, sorry the lighting is like not the best. Has like that water resistant material on the arms. Yeah, here's what it looks like zipped up. I don't want to get makeup on it since it's white. I'm thinking I will probably just wear a little tank top with this. I don't know if I wear the t-shirt under, but when I wear the pants, I'll either wear this jacket or the top. And I love it. It is just so cute and wintry. I love the teddy bear slippers so much. I feel like even just wearing this around the house, I'm gonna feel like such a little cozy marshmallow girl. Yeah, if you're gonna get anything, I just feel like this jacket you can wear to the gym, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it so many ways. So yeah, it's so soft. It's that like rain resistant material on the neck and on the arms. It's nice that you can cinch this one in exactly how you want. Same with the pants, you can adjust it. You could have them more like high rise, or you could do more low rise, whatever you prefer, but this is so cute. But okay, let's get into the actual holiday items. This is probably the least festive one out of all the Christmas items. I'm loving this color Ecru. So this is the Skims Cloud Fur Trim Pant. And before I committed to the set, I wanted to see if I could pull these pants off, just because sometimes flare pants can make my hips look even bigger than they already are. These are so cute though. These are so soft. And they just have this little fur trim down at the bottom. How precious. I feel like this would be really fun to wear like to a Christmas dinner. Small looks kind of big. Okay, but let's see how this looks on. But they have a matching top that is so cute. And I feel like this would be really fun to get out every year. Even just like putting up the ornaments or just having a Christmas party in these would be really cute. Like you could definitely dress these up with heels. The fur looks like so soft. I have to do a mirror try on, but I actually really love these. When I first started pulling them on, I was like, I don't know about this. I do feel like the black would be a little bit more flattering because I think they may be a little bit see-through. I'm also in front of like a bright light, so I don't know if I would need to worry about that in real life, but I really like these bottoms, and now I want the matching top. Yeah, I feel like they have like the perfect straight leg without poofing out too much. So cute. I wonder if I could maybe just wear it with this top actually. Maybe I don't need to go all out. You guys tell me, do you think I could get away with wearing this top with it? Or do I buy the top? I don't know. This is not the most perfect pajama set. I love the color of this so much, especially with my blonde hair, but I feel like this would be beautiful in any skin tone. It's so gorgeous. And I like that it's not like too festive that I can wear this all year round. I think this would make a really nice gift and be really cute in like Christmas photos as well. But I already know Thanksgiving, this is what I'm gonna wear Thanksgiving morning, watching the Macy's parade with my little champagne. I cannot wait. So yeah, and I finally got these slippers. I thought I was gonna get these for Christmas last year and I didn't get them. So this year I was like, I'm not gonna miss out on my little teddy bear slippers. And these are actually really comfy. That was part of why I like talked myself out of getting them last year, is I thought they might be heavy or like hard to walk in, but they're really comfy and I feel like I'm gonna be living in these. So first set, 10 out of 10. What do you think?
I made a store.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, don't step on my teddy bear slippers. Do you like them? I wonder if they make kid ones. Would you wear slippers like this with me? No? You would? I feel like the sleeves also make it look a lot more luxe, how they are kind of wide. I like how it's oversized as well, so I got this in a size small. Okay. Moving into something a little bit more festive, I really like the color of her flannel print this year. I don't know why online I felt like they didn't look as cute as some of the girls I saw on TikTok, but yeah, in person, I really love the color of this flannel. It has yellow in there as well. It says Skims on the pocket, and I ordered this set for the whole family. I think they may sell the pants separately, and I feel like even just the pants by themselves are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so soft and comfortable. Like, they feel like flannel sheets. I feel like the price point on these are a little bit better than some of her other sets. I think these ones were like $80 with the discount. So we were going all out and the whole family was getting matching PJs. I thought, what the heck? Let's add a matching bralette. I feel like that's kind of fun and different than any other set that you can get other places. So let's try on those together. Hi, Firefighter Ocean. How you doing? Well, I need to clean up this mess. Oh my, should I put on inside out? Oops. I do not feel like trying this on again. Just ignore. Yeah, this has adjustable straps, so I'll have to play around with it, but I think that's a fun little detail to add the bralette. Okay, but I was thinking this would be so cute open with the bralette. Just imagine how extra if I'm like in our Christmas photos. Like, I don't think I'm gonna do that, but these are so cozy and soft, you guys. If they have them in stock, get these PJs. This just feels like classic, nostalgic, comfy Christmas. Like, I want to watch Home Alone 2 in these PJs and get all the snacks, get all the drinks, be cuddling with my family. Oh. Okay, I haven't tried on the rest of the Christmas PJs yet, but I feel like if there's any set that you're gonna get, and if these are in stock, I feel like these feel so much more expensive than her other pajamas that are at this price point. Like, they're so cozy. And I also love how she makes everything fit. Sometimes I'm in between a small or a medium with her, and with this one, the small is perfectly oversized. I also saw the model wearing these pants with this little tank top, and I love her tank top so much. This is the cotton rib tank top in the color brick. I was so tempted to get the sweat set in the color brick as well. I still might get that during Black Friday if they have a good Black Friday sale, but I also really like the matching leggings that go with this. Gosh, kind of cute having like the bra. Okay, maybe not. That might be too much. I love how these pants look with all these different tops. Just wearing these pants with this tank top feels so comfy. If they do sell the pants by themselves, I would definitely even just like pick up a set like this. I think this looks so cute. Even styled with, they have like a full zip that you could throw on top. These teddy bear slippers just make you look so much more soft and cozy. I feel like they match perfectly with all the Christmas PJs, but also like all year round. I love these so much. Okay. And then the last thing I picked up are these reindeer printed PJs in the color Zen Blue. I just had to have these to match with my son. We both got these. And this print is so cute. I'm surprised she didn't like post more photos on her Instagram of these. Just a long sleeve top with the matching bottoms. Oh, I didn't realize these are my favorite. These are my favorite type of PJ bottoms. It's the boyfriend fit. I feel like even these look really cute with the red tank. It just kind of makes it a little bit more Christmassy. But let's see how it looks with the reindeer top. This is so cozy. I thought there was gonna be at least one fail in this haul. Everything is like 10 out of 10. Sometimes, I don't know why recently, Skims has been a little bit hit or miss. You wanna throw them down to me? So yeah, it just says Skims right there on the band. Oh my gosh, Ocean, how cute are we gonna be? Do you see that me and you got these matching? Here's the matching ones for Ocean. I also got him this little plaid set. I think with 30% off, they ended up being around like $25. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it ended up being. So I didn't mind getting us family sets while they were 30% off. Without that sale, everything was so pricey. I swear she just has them that price so she can do a discount. Yeah, that is everything I got. I know it wasn't a huge haul, but I just wanted to share with you guys because, I don't know, her holiday drops are always so fun to me. So I will see you very soon in the next one. You're gonna say bye. Baby, you're my baby.
I'm gonna have some fun with Dad.
Oh, you're having fun with Dad? Go.
I'm
Go get him.
I'm gonna watch wonderful games and we're gonna play with games and we're gonna play with toys and we're gonna watch a show.
Ooh, that's fun. Enjoy. Tap tap.